I think Wisteria is the ubiquitous British climbing plant. And in fact, if you look at some of the most historic houses that we have across the whole of the UK, in early summer every single year, it's highly probable you'll actually see a wisteria clambering up the front looking amazing. Now, one of the real big problems with wisteria over time has been that they don't tend to flower for a number of years after you plant them, which is really frustrating, quite disappointing, and frankly, I find it dead annoying. So when I was told about Amethyst Falls, I couldn't believe my luck because I was about to plant my first wisteria for probably 10 years. I dug up one previously and I just gave up with it because it wouldn't flower. But this one has some special characteristics. First of all, it will flower from the first year you plant it. Now that is incredibly rare, and it will flower reliably every year thereafter, which again is incredibly rare. It will be on a compact plant, so instead of becoming a rampant climber that you're constantly having to prune, this will remain well behaved. So it's going to grow to about 2 meters tall. It will still climb over your pergolas, your trellises, your fences and so on if you want it to, but it will remain manageable. So for the modern, smaller gardener or balcony or courtyard garden, this is a perfect choice. But the thing I really love most is you get all of the benefits of those beautiful lilac blue flowers. In early summer, you get the fragrance to go with those, of course, on a compact plant that you can trust will flower. So if you're going to plant your first ever wisteria, choose Amethyst Falls. If you're fed up waiting for your existing one to start flowering, dig it up and plant Amethyst Falls. You won't be disappointed. This is an absolute breeding breakthrough. It's one of the best varieties I've ever seen. And I love the fact that this plant in front of me, which is typical of the plant you would receive, look at it. We've got buds, we've got flowers, you know, it's really all ready to go. And this is around about a 2-year-old plant. This is a size we typically ship. Already it's got flower. Now, that's the proof of the pudding. You're not gonna have to wait years for this. From the first year you get this, from the first year you plant it, you can expect those beautiful flowers. So if you want flowers from your wisteria, literally immediately, plant Amethyst Falls. It won't disappoint you, but it will make your neighbours and your gardening friends who are waiting for theirs to flower, they're going to become envious. So get yours now, get it planted, and really do make your garden stand out.